it isn't as simple as just tapping the log out button inside of the game. As of today, if you have a HioVerse account linked to a PlayStation Network account, and that's what you use to play Genshin on the PlayStation 5, like I said, you won't be able to simply log out. First, the easiest way of changing accounts is creating a different PlayStation Network user. So, when you go over to the home screen, you will find the option to switch users. By adding a new user and creating a completely new PlayStation Network account, you will be able to assign a new HioVerse account which will be used to Genshin for that new specific user. So this is the first option that you have, and it is by far the most convenient one. Simply create a new PlayStation user, link a Genshin account or a HioVerse account to that new PlayStation user, and now when you use the first user that you already have, you will be able to play on your quote-unquote original account, and when you switch over to the different user, you will be able to play on a different one. So if your console is shared, for example, between you and your brother, you and your sister, this is by far the best way to do this process of changing accounts. Now, for the second option, when it comes to changing accounts forever, and you don't plan to do it as a constant thing, you have the option to contact their customer support. The reason why you have to contact their customer support is because unlike some other types of accounts, you will not be able to unlink the PlayStation Network account to your Genshin account at will. Only their customer support has the ability to do so. So you will have to contact them at these email addresses and tell them that you would like to unlink the PlayStation 5 or PSN account from your HioVerse or Genshin account. They will send you a form that you have to fill. They will ask for a lot of information, so be ready to present it all. You will have to prove your identity, and if you are able to prove that you are the owner of the account, they will be able to unlink the PlayStation Network account from the HioVerse or Genshin account. That way, the next time you go play Genshin on your PlayStation 5, you will be able to link a new Genshin account to your PlayStation console or your PlayStation Network account. I hope I was able to help you on how to change accounts on Genshin on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.